Good quality. What's up, YouTube? What's good? It's DeQuante. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the post notification button. It'll let you know when I have a video posted. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. I am at a work retreat in Redondo Beach, and it is beautiful. Like, the room is small and petite, but it's still a vibe, and like this view is crazy. So let's start from the front of the door. So walk in. Here's the restroom. You know, nice little vanity. They got the makeup mirror for the extra zoom in. I love seeing like what these gonna smell like. Let me see. That smells good. Oh yeah, it really smells good. Okay. A nice little bathroom. It's cute. There's a closet here. Yes, they have robes. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Y'all, I wanted a robe so bad. So when I do my little sit down, I can look super comfortable. This is the bedroom. One bedroom, single bed. Oh, they give me a nice little cute seal. That's cute. This is the menu. Chia pudding. I have another little desk here. $7 bottle of water. Don't worry about me drinking that. And this is the highlight right here. So yeah, that is it for the room tour. I know that was kind of short and sweet, but I'm grateful. Like, this is a retreat for work, but I'm gonna treat it like a retreat for myself. I'm gonna put this robe on. We're gonna do like some little facials and like read and write and just soak up this sun and just relax, because Lord knows I need just some relaxation. I definitely miss my baby. I told him he can come tomorrow. So after work, maybe Enrique's gonna come and drive out here and see me, and then we leave Saturday afternoon. So I don't know what this retreat is about or what's the itinerary or the agenda. I've never been to a retreat before, so I don't know what happens at a company retreat, but I'm gonna be on my best behavior. I won't say too much about how I feel about the job. It's just, you know, I'm gonna keep it sweet and realize that anything that I am feeling about the job is more so about me and my goals and where I want to go. So I want to approach it that way. Like, I think the company is a great company. I think they're doing beautiful things. I think I have made a tremendous impact at the clinic I work at, and I'm just proud. I'm just proud. Seriously, like, I'm just proud. So we're gonna have a meet and greet at 6:30. So like in about an hour. So I'm gonna relax a little bit, start to unpack, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. You can hear the seals and it sounds terrifying. Like, they sound like dinosaurs or something. How was that?
What, the break?
Sitting, cause you don't really be like sitting down and talking about it for your whole break.
I don't. I'll be talking to him at work though throughout the day here and there. He asked me. He was like, yeah. So she was like, yeah, Elizabeth is staying. Do you want to stay? I'm like, no, I'm good. One thing about it, I don't need to do no more. Once it's time to go, I'm gonna go.
Clock out.
Yes.
I got a call with Aya Healthcare, that job in Pomona. The lady texted me and was like, yeah, she's with Aya PRN department, and the way it works is they have an app and you sign up when like I did with the nursing homes. It's like you sign up whenever you want to work, but you got to do at least 4 shifts a month. So like once a week.
Oh.
So I have a call with her Saturday morning, and we'll talk about some more stuff. But yeah, that's looking interesting. Yeah, I just been thinking about. I'm just like, I'm ready to just like start living like a full-time content creator. Like, I just got to do it. Like, I got to get out of my head about it. It ain't got to be perfect. Learn as you go. But
right,
we got to post. Like seeing that little plus sign on my story, I'd be like not having nothing on your story, and it just had like the plus sign.
Oh.
I'd be like, well, I ain't got nothing on my story. Like, I'm doing stuff.
It's like it should always be something on this.
Oh.
Like, yeah, you barely post on your story on Instagram.
I know. I used to
post on Snapchat. It's like once you, I feel like once you seen that one video and I was telling you about how people made money on Snapchat.
Yeah.
Be on Snapchat. You said fuck Instagram.
I know. But yeah, I need to.
You know, I don't got Snapchat. I don't think I'm gonna ever download that.
Yeah. I mean, even with Snapchat, like, you gotta like kind of create like reels and stuff to post on there to like get more views and more subscribers and followers and stuff. So.
Did you post on your story yet?
Instagram? No.
Oh. Like, look, you could have posted that outside view. That'd have been post right there.
I still got time. But it's just like, it's like a post just to post. Like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna figure something out.
Oh, you mean like an actual feed post?
What? When?
You said a post just to post.
If I post the outside on my story, it's just like, it's not bringing me any new subscribers. It's like, it's just posting just to post.
I feel like stuff on a story ain't never gonna always bring like new people. It's just, you know, like just like you go on Snapchat, just showing your thing.
Look how beautiful. The sunset like 30 minutes ago. I was out here talking to Enrique, and then I dropped my phone. So I have a couple options. I could wait for somebody to come outside on the first floor and tell them to throw it up to me, or I can go down to the front desk and tell them I dropped my phone below my room and have somebody come get it for me. Which option?
I'll do option number 2 first.
I mean, that's gonna be my only option. I can't sit out here and wait for somebody to come.
Call them up.
Yeah. They just enjoying themselves on this little yacht.
Oh, I was like, where's that? Hello. I thought it was next to me.
Oh, I think I might have saw a whale over there. Some just shot up some water. Or maybe it's the water hitting the rocks. I don't know. So I called down to the front desk, let them know that I'm an idiot and I dropped my phone, and they sent somebody to pick it up. 5 stars to the how you say that? Portofino Hotel. Thank you. I'm not thanking you for the $7 water though, but thank you. YouTube. This is very reminiscent of the old days.
Right.
Y'all remember
Throwback
these
Thursday.
days? Throwback Thursday. We used to live on FaceTime.
Yeah,
Like
we really used to be long distance.
a long distance relationship. Good times, good times. So it is nearly 11 p.m. at night, and all we had at the retreat meet and greet were like some little hors d'oeuvres. They had like crab cakes, small little crab cakes, chicken on a stick. It was like some spicy sweet chicken. They had veggie egg rolls. And then they also had something that was like some steak in like a brioche little bun. I didn't eat that. But everything else was pretty good. 10 out of 10. Like I was trying everything like 3 or 4 times, but I'm still not full. So I ordered some sushi, and that should be here in a few minutes.
Sushi.
They is so down bad. They gave me 1 soy sauce. I order all the sushi. You see all the sushi. You package all the sushi up. But you want to give me 1 soy sauce, bro? 1 soy sauce. Like,
Got like 3 droplets.
what is wrong with this world? Make it enough. That was good. Jackpot sushi. 10 out of 10. Recommend. I had like a shrimp tempura and a Philadelphia roll, which is like, I think, salmon, cream cheese, avocado. Alright. Time for me to brush my teeth and go to sleep. For a brief moment when I was brushing my teeth, I thought I was gonna come back to you in the bed in here.
Oh, you thought you was coming back to me? Oh.
What time you going to sleep? Think I'm about to call it a night. I gotta get up for 8. Well, I gotta be there for 8, so I need to get up at like 7. Alright, my love. I love you so much. I miss you so much.
I miss you so much.
I'll talk to you soon. Sleep tight. Stretch all over the bed.
Don't let the big bugs bite.
Later, baby. Alright. Good night, YouTube. I will see you tomorrow. Maybe we can talk about something. We'll see. Good morning, YouTube. It is 7 a.m. in the morning. The retreat begins at 8 a.m. Well, breakfast starts at 8 a.m. and then a retreat shortly after. The meet and greet was cool. They had some nice appetizers. It was like some crab cakes, chicken. I think I said this last night. But yeah, no, it was good. Met some of the other nurse managers and some other staff at the company. Today is when the president of the company comes, and they do all these presentations and activities, so it's gonna be a long day. I am about to wake up. Well, I'm up, but I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna read a little bit, journal a little bit out on this patio because the view is just so good. Just gonna soak that in, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm sorry I can't bring y'all to the retreat, but y'all not missing nothing. Alright, I'm looking forward to putting on my robe and just like being in the room. So day 1 of the retreat is done. I learned a lot about just myself, management, some of the things that go on in upper management. That was interesting. A little boring, but you know, I didn't expect the retreat to be super fun. So right now I am going to go to the jacuzzi, just sit back and relax a little bit before we go to dinner. We're going to this seafood restaurant that's like an 11-minute walk away. So that should be cool. Yeah, I just want to like soak in some of this sun and this scenery because it's just so beautiful. Like, yeah, if I could just wake up to this every single day, like, what? Please. So hopefully nobody's in the jacuzzi, but you know they will be, because it's not my jacuzzi at my house. At my house, nobody be in a jacuzzi when I'm in the jacuzzi. I don't know what's going on. Wow. I know you fucking lying. You know what? I wish you had 2 glasses on at the same time. Life can get busy. So busy that we forget the most important thing, ourselves. Thank you, Redondo Beach, for the beautiful views, the beautiful weather. It really was a good time. It almost looks like I'm in like, I don't know, Greece or something. I'm gonna miss the seals and they loud asses. Later, sillies. And we're out.
Taking pictures, make sure you can see my head. When I'm outside, please don't make me wait.
Be mounting, like what they be using to mount their big ass cameras in the car.
When I look into your eyes, I wanna get.
Alright, so I'm a little Boy Scout at heart. Sometimes you just really can't get to the fire pits, and I've done this 3 times, so I'm kind of having faith that I could do it again. I'm out of breath because I was digging that hole. Whew. But yeah, he's sitting up being a passenger princess. Yeah, I think I'll be okay to like this, and they won't come tell me nothing about it being lit. So beautiful times. How you feel?
Bingo, I got action. Time for me to light my fire. Alright, we got our cute little fire going.
Feels so good.
Yeah. Man, are they telling people to put their fires out? I guess not. Or maybe. Where are they going? Okay, they're not worrying about our fire.
That was so random.
I know, that's what I'm trying to see, like.
When I tell you, it's like
So many police.
it's like hella cop cars. Like it's like at least more than 5-6 cop cars.
I got them swerving and breaking the law. These windows tinted so nobody saw. Ain't nobody crazy like me. Hell no. You ain't what you need like me. Ain't nobody got up on their tiptoes and roll to the tip like.
And she shines just like a star of haze. I just
What's up, guys? It's Enrique Ediquante checking in. We just got to EP and LP, the Melrose Rooftop Roller Rink. About to get our skate on, little roll bounce. Let's get to
We're gonna keep it real simple because ain't nobody trying to bust their ass.
I'm going backwards. I'm on my
I don't even know
head.
how to skate back there.
Yeah.
Cause I just couldn't open up, I'm always shifting. I know strong and tall and Christian.
Oh. Don't be that person. Getting jiggy with it. You almost there? What's up, guys? We are back home from ice skating. It wasn't ice skating, but back from skating, and I ordered some pants from Shein, and this is my first time ordering something from Shein, and I'm interested to see how this turns out because I haven't had good luck with like ordering from like these low what do you call them? Low budget. Low budget sounds so bad, right. But those cheap websites. And yeah, let's see what it's giving. Okay, so far so good. Like the material feels thick and not cheap. I should put like what I ordered versus what I got on the screen, but they definitely look too short. But I don't know until I pull them on, but this is what it's giving now. So Shein was a fail. Like, I know because I'm tall and everything, things just like don't really work out for me. These were like $12, so I don't know. I just think I'm gonna have to order like triple XL or something. But I feel like it's just gonna be big in the waist and still short.
Right. What was the size though? Like, what was the?
It was, I don't think it had a waist. Me a length size.
Like a 30 by.
No, so I think it was only 34 in the waist. You tried it. Good quality pants. So we're gonna turn these into some jorts because I really do like the actual like fabric and I like the studs on them. So let's go jorts. Excuse this this mirror is dirty as hell, but yeah, I made some jorts. I like it. Nobody else got these, I know that.
Alright, you got one of a kind.
One of a kind. Like, boy, you getting them from? I made them.
About to get in this jacuzzi.
Cause I can make it jacuzzi for you. Cause you want me. I'm swaggy. Effortlessly. Bitch, hey.
Wanna brag about it. I wanna tie it. I wanna show you out. I wanna
Damn, who's that man with the big strong hands on her ass? Take you around the world.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Flourishing with Faith, a segment in which we talk about all things faith and self-improvement. I'm your host, DeQuante. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today, I would like to talk to you about living proudly as a gay black man. This is a journey that can be challenging, but rewarding. I am going to share with you some tips to help you along the way. First things first, you want to embrace your authentic self. Be proud of who you are and everything that comes with your identity. Yes, you want to be someone that is dependable, someone that is trustworthy, someone that is moral. You want to be someone that you can love. Secondly, build a tribe. Find people that love you unconditionally. People that add positive impacts to your life. Embrace your culture. Embrace all things that make you who you are. Always practice self-care. Take care of yourself mentally, physically, and emotionally. Read books. Take yourself out to eat. Enjoy a spa day. Do all things that make you happy. Be visible. Be vocal. Take up space. Speak up for yourself. Speak up against injustice. Your voice is the most powerful tool for change. Always stay ambitious. Set goals and celebrate your wins. Educate and inspire. Always take the time to educate yourself and others. Sharing your journey can inspire the next person. Stay resilient. There are going to be times in which you feel as though all the challenges and problems are holding you down. Stay resilient and look at these challenges as opportunities to improve. Last but not least, find your spiritual anchor. Connecting with your faith and spirituality will keep you grounded and give you peace during this journey. My name is DeQuante. This is Flourishing in Faith. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.
That booty gon' do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, want to move. I know you see this red on me. Now come and get hot.